Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, your trusted source for modern farming insights and practical tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for livestock farmers everywhere: silage. Specifically, we'll explore the top 5 crops that make the best silage for cattle and goats. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, understanding which crops to grow for silage can make a world of difference in your herd's health, productivity, and your farm's profitability. So, let's get started. First, it's important to understand what silage is and why it's such a valuable feed. Silage is a type of preserved forage made by fermenting green crops in the absence of oxygen. This process not only helps store nutrients, but also makes the feed more digestible for ruminants like cattle and goats. Good silage provides essential energy, protein, and fiber, everything your livestock needs for optimal growth and milk production. But not all crops are created equal when it comes to making high-quality silage. The right choice depends on your climate, soil, available resources, and your animal's nutritional needs. Let's jump into the countdown, starting with number 5 on our list. At number 5, we have sorghum, a versatile and drought-resistant crop that's gaining popularity among livestock farmers worldwide. Sorghum thrives in hot, dry climates where other crops might struggle. It produces a high yield of biomass, which means more silage per acre. Sorghum silage is rich in energy and provides moderate protein levels, making it a great option for both cattle and goats. One key advantage is its resilience to pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical treatments. When harvested at the right stage, typically when the grain is in the soft dough stage, sorghum silage is palatable, digestible, and stores well. If you're farming in areas with water scarcity or unpredictable rainfall, sorghum is a smart choice to ensure a steady supply of quality silage. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about barley. Barley is often overlooked, but it's an excellent crop for silage, especially in cooler climates. This cereal grain matures quickly and offers high energy content, which is crucial for lactating cows and growing goats. Barley silage is particularly valued for its soft, leafy stems that ferment easily and retain moisture, leading to a well-preserved, tasty feed. Farmers love barley because it can be double-cropped with other forages, maximizing land use. To make the best barley silage, harvest when the grain is in the milk to early dough stage. This ensures a good balance between digestibility and nutrient content. Barley silage supports healthy weight gain and robust milk yields, making it a smart addition to your silage rotation. Number 3 on our list is alfalfa, a true powerhouse in the world of forage crops. Alfalfa is often called the queen of forages for a reason. It's packed with protein, calcium, and other essential nutrients. While alfalfa is most often used as hay, it can also be ensiled to create high-quality silage. Alfalfa silage is especially beneficial for dairy cattle and goats, supporting high milk production and healthy growth. However, making good alfalfa silage requires careful attention to moisture levels, as the crop can be prone to spoilage if it's too wet or too dry. The key is to wilt the alfalfa to the right moisture content before ensiling, usually around 60 to 70%. Alfalfa silage is highly digestible and palatable, ensuring that your herd gets the nutrition they need without waste. Coming in at number 2 is a classic favorite: oats. Oat silage is a reliable option for many farmers, thanks to its adaptability and nutritional value. Oats can be planted early in the season and harvested before other crops are ready, providing an excellent source of early forage. Oat silage is rich in fiber, making it ideal for maintaining proper rumen function in cattle and goats. It also offers moderate protein and energy levels, suitable for both growing animals and lactating females. The best time to harvest oats for silage is when the grain is in the milk stage. At this point, the plant has maximum digestibility and nutritional value. Oat silage is also very palatable, encouraging livestock to consume more and, as a result, gain weight or produce more milk. And finally, The number one crop for making the best silage for cattle and goats is maize, also known as corn. It's no surprise that maize tops our list. This crop is the gold standard for silage worldwide. Maize silage boasts high energy content, balanced with digestible fiber, making it the perfect feed for high-producing dairy cows and goats. It's also easy to grow, adaptable to various climates, and produces an impressive yield per acre. The fermentation process for maize silage is straightforward, and the end product is highly palatable, ensuring that animals eat enough to meet their nutritional needs. For best results, harvest maize when the kernels are in the half-milk line stage, and the plant is about 32 to 35% dry matter. Maize silage supports rapid weight gain, strong milk yields, and overall herd health, making it the top choice for silage worldwide. Now that we've explored the top 5 crops for silage, let's briefly discuss a few tips for making high-quality silage, regardless of which crop you choose. First, timing is everything. Harvest your crop at the optimal stage for nutrient content and digestibility. Second, chop the forage into small, uniform pieces to ensure good packing and minimize air pockets in the silo. This helps create the anaerobic conditions needed for proper fermentation. Third, manage moisture levels carefully. Too much moisture can lead to spoilage, while too little can result in poor fermentation and nutrient loss. Aim for a dry matter content of about 30 to 35% for most crops. Finally, seal your silo tightly and check regularly for any signs of spoilage or heating. Remember, the quality of your silage directly impacts the health and productivity of your livestock. By choosing the right crops and following best practices for harvesting and storage, you can provide your cattle and goats with nutritious, cost-effective feed all year round. Thank you for joining us at SMART-AGRI Hub. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future farming tips. Leave a comment below and let us know which silage crop works best for you, or if you have any questions about livestock feeding. Until next time, happy farming.